is Amy Blackston. I'm a junior in high school and I'm in the band, FFA, and 4-H.
So, what are we about to do?
About to shear some sheep.
Shear some sheep for what?
For a show.
What kind of show?
A sheep showing show.
Why do they have shows?
Livestock shows are so you can take a livestock of really any kind, chicken, cow, goat, sheep, pig, that you raised, and so you can go and get it judged on the carcass, on its breeding ability, and it's the structure of like how well they stand, how their like bone structure is, kind of how sturdy they are, you could say, in some animals. I would do that.
Right, cool.
Most kids like animals. I mean, that's the vast majority of the people that stop are kids, people with young, small children at shows. They like to see them and pet on them, but something for all of us to do. And I mean, it's nothing but families, you know, parents and kids out doing what they like.
I would describe sheep showing as a way to show off a project of a livestock animal, specifically a sheep, that you've been working on, to show if they're a girl, to show off how well they could breed, how capable they are. If they're a male, usually how good they would be in market for cuts of meat and whatnot, just to kind of show off what you've been working on livestock-wise. In the morning when I get up, I usually come down here and I feed all the sheep, give them water. I don't know how long that takes, but after that I usually just leave them during the day, and then I come back in the afternoon, and every other day I try to work with them for like an hour, and then we'll feed them again that night like we did in the morning.
What is working with them?
Teaching them how to brace against you when you're holding them, teaching them how to get used to touching their legs to move them into the right position, and teaching them how to walk on a halter and by hand.
Usually, yeah. I mean, that's about a 3-inch depth. And then the darker stuff you can see on the bottom edge of the wool that was clipped, that's actually the lanolin in the wool. Using in a lot of
Conditioners, maybe?
skin products.
We have to learn the cuts of the meat, so because we learn it, you can kind of tell we're like here would be the ribs on the sheep, here would be like the loin, here's the leg cut kind of thing, shoulder. You can kind of tell where the cuts are on the sheep after learning.
I know we haven't done this much, but you have to calm down. We have a lot of head to do. And see, all these we're doing, these are really on their second time on the stands. That's why it's on.
You drink all along.
They'll get better as time goes on.
There's a lot of sharing. You know, you go to a lot of competitions and there's people that do their own thing. But in agriculture, you see that a lot where people are willing to help other people out and stuff like that. Again, that's
What's the right of way?
That's right.
I can show after I graduate, the summer I graduate, I can show again for college. So she technically can start college. Still has to show it.
So because her lanolin is stripped off in the shearing process, you're giving her a conditioning essentially.
Yeah, it's not the actual shearing that strips it, it's when we wash them.
Oh, okay.
So if we just sheared her without washing her, it would not strip that off. And she'd be fine.
I don't want to scare you, little lady, so I'm not going to put that on.
Sure.
Ain't gonna be perfect, but it'll be pretty close.
Learning to do stuff on your own, you can be shown how it's done and then you take it from there and you learn responsibility as well. So if you don't do what you've been taught to do and whatnot, then whatever you're taught to do isn't going to get done and it's not going to show in the ring.
Barn swallow passed out a few weeks ago in the barn. Somehow found its way into the water trough. Cool. Yeah, it's one that come out of the barn. One out the barn. The swallow? Yeah. Don't go.